How to become a DiscoverCars affiliate and start earning commissions promoting car rentals online. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video, I will show you how to get started step by step. If you want to create your affiliate account right now, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and in the pinned comment. One of the easiest ways to promote car rentals is through the affiliate platform Travel Payouts, where you can access the DiscoverCars affiliate program. Again, if you want to start, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment. DiscoverCars is a global car rental comparison platform that helps travelers find rental cars in more than 150 countries and compare offers from many rental companies. The affiliate program is very popular because it offers high commissions. Affiliates can earn a percentage of the company's revenue from car rental bookings, and the average commission is around $20 per reservation. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the DiscoverCars affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you will receive your affiliate links. You can promote these links on YouTube, websites and blogs, travel content pages, social media. Every time someone rents a car through your affiliate link, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting car rentals and earning online with DiscoverCars, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and in the pinned comment to create your account. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliatedues.com. And remember, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment, so you can start today.